Good morning, my dear students. In the previous class, you have learnt simple present tense and present continuous tense, isn't it? So, what have you learnt? Simple present tense means it expresses the actions that takes place every day, regularly, isn't it? And present continuous tense means what? Which is going on now. That means continuing. And today we'll be learning simple past tense. Okay, simple present tense. What is simple present tense? That takes place every day, regularly. And we'll be learning today what? Simple past tense. Okay, simple past tense means what? It expresses action that took place some time ago. That is past. You know what is past? That is over. So students, for that you need to learn some verbs, okay, along with their past tense. This is the past form, this is the base form, that is the present tense, and this is the past tense, okay. Dance, danced, die, died, do becomes did, drink, drank, break, broke, bring, brought, buy, bought, blow, blew. So what are these? These are the past tense form. Okay? And students, these are already given in your book, but as some of you do not have books, for that, for your convenience, I have given these. Okay? So, you can write this, note this down in your grammar copies. So, ring becomes rang. Ring, rang, rise, rose, run, ran. These are called the base form. Okay? The original form. Run, ran, talk, talked, take, took, teach, taught. Teach, taught, A-U-G-H-T, see the spelling. Tell, told, say, said, see, saw, shine, shone, sing, sang, catch, caught, come, came, call, called, choose, chose, fall, fell, get, got, give, gave, go, went, grow, grew, has or have, had, hear, heard, hide, hid, jump, jumped, make, made, meet, met, open, opened, pray, prayed, know, knew, leave, left, live, lived. Okay, this is leave, L-E-A-V-E, leave. Past tense is left, and live, past tense is lived. Look, looked. Read, read. But the spelling is same. I have already discussed this in the class. Read, past tense is read. We say it as read, but the spelling is same. Okay. Now students, exercise A. So, take out your book, chapter 20, exercise A. Change the verbs into simple past tense and rewrite the sentences. Okay, for that, you need to know the past form of these verbs. So, that is why students, you learn the past tense form first. Okay. Now, you need to do it in your copy, class of copy. It's very easy. Number 1, I like ice cream. What is the past form of like? First find out the verb. Which is the verb? Like. So what will be the past form of this? Liked. Isn't it? ED. So I liked ice cream. 2, I walked to school. I walked to school. ED. Sonali buys flowers for her mother. Which is a verb? Buys. So buys. Base form is what? Buy. No, why this s is added? Because of Sonali. Sonali is third person singular. So we are adding one s with the verb. This part you have already learned. So the base form of the verb is buy. B-U-Y, buy. And what is the past form of buy? Bought. Okay. Sonali bought flowers for her mother. Number 4. Jyoti rides a bicycle. Jyoti rode a bicycle. Number 5. She writes a letter to her father. She wrote a letter to her father. So these you need to do in your grammar copy. Exercise B. Fill in the blanks with the past tense of the verbs given in brackets. So this you can do in the book itself. So what is the past tense of see? What is the past tense of spend? Write, come, teach. You just need to put here. Okay. So I hope you'll be able to do it by yourself. Now this is important. Okay. This is important. See. Now there's a little bit of change when we make negative sentences and interrogative sentence, that is questions. Okay. So what did we do? I have highlighted this. See. Here we use did. Here we use did and with the original form of the verb. Okay. For negative, what we are using? What word we use? No or not. Isn't it? So this not is for negative, and for negative what we do? We use did and the base form of the verb. Now you see the example. He went to Tiok. He went to Tiok, which is the verb went. Went. This is the past tense. So what is the base form of this verb went? Go. Isn't it? So we need to find out that. So go. He did not go to Tiok. In place of went, what were we using? Did and go. And for negative, we are using not. So finally, the sentence will be, he did not go to Tiok. In the same way, while making a question, what we do? Same sentence I have given, see. For example, he went to Tiok. Okay. So how will you make a question? Where did he go? Where did he go? Same thing. Did and the base form of the verb went. This went. What is the base form? Go. So where did he go? Understood? So in that way, you need to write these sentences. That means make these sentences negative in your grammar copy. So A and C, you remember, A and C you need to do in your grammar copy. Understood? Make the following sentences negative. The bus, only one I'll do for you. Okay, number 1. Listen carefully. The bus reached on time. What is the verb? Reached. And this is the past tense form. So what is the base form? Reach. So reach, we will use this one plus did we will use and not we will use. So how will you make? The bus did not reach on time. The bus did not reach on time. Got it, students? In that way you need to do it. Okay, till 5 in your grammar copy. Now exercise D you can do here itself. Complete the dialogues using the question words given in the brackets. What are the question words? When, where, why, who, how. So look at this example. I had a sandwich for breakfast. What did you have? So the verb is which one? Had. So base form is have. Okay. what did you have for breakfast? So that all of you know that in a question, this is a compulsory to put a question mark. So what will you do here? Number 1, what will you write? The organizers held the match yesterday. The organizers held the match yesterday. So what is the question word? When. When did. When did, then the subject you take. When did the organizers hold the match? Yesterday you don't write because this is the answer. Okay? Did you get my point? So how will you make? When did the organizers hold the match? And question mark. Okay, students? So you need to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in your book itself. Okay? So as these days we are doing only online classes, I'll give these answers in your next class. Okay? So what have you learnt? We have learnt, today you have learnt about simple past tense. And what is that? Simple past tense expresses actions that took place some time ago. That is over, that is past. Got it? Okay, students, in the next class I will give you the answers. So you try to do it by yourself. Okay? So bye bye for today. Have a good day.